Good day, children. Sairam. Welcome back to our online class. And today we are going to revise all the active English chapters. So from today, we are beginning with our revision. So first, let us begin with our active English chapter because it is very, very simple and easy. And I know you have written all the answers in your active English book from revision chapters 2 till chapter 12. So we have for the exam from chapter 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So chapter 2 to 12. So is there for the exam. So now let's quickly do a quick revision of all these chapters. Since the chapter 2, 3 is very easy, so here I've given all the chapters with mixed questions. So I'm not going to go in order. So you should remember all the answers. So let's have, what is the first question? Yes. Our first question is, yes, our first question is change the sentences using since. Change the sentences using since with the words given in the brackets. So words given in the bracket is have not heard. And we are going to change the sentence using since. So let's read the question and understand. Question number 1. I last heard that song when I was 7. So what is the meaning of since? From many days. Okay, from many days or before many days. So there is a small word called since. So change the sentences using since. I last heard that song when I was 7. So many days before you have heard that song. Okay, and the bracket is have not heard. So how will you use here? I have not heard that song since I have not heard. So you have to use the bracket. So I have not heard that song since I was 7. Okay, so what is the answer? I have not heard that song since I was 7. So from I was 7, from so many years, since I was 7, I have not heard that song. So our next question is, he moved to Mumbai in July. And the bracket is has lived. And the bracket is has lived. So he has lived in Mumbai since July. So from July. So he has lived in Mumbai since July. She saw him last year. So here has not seen. So she has not seen him since last year. So from last year, she has not seen him. From many years, from many months, from many days. So this since is used for mentioning years, dates, time, whatever it is. So you have to do not forget to use the bracket here. And our next question is make sentences using have to, shall have to and had to. So have to is used for present tense, shall have to is used for future tense and had to is used for past tense. So do this exercise now. Question number 1 is do this exercise now. So now means present. So present you have to use have to. So what is the answer? I have to do this exercise now. I have to do this exercise now. Number 2, stay at home tomorrow. Stay at home tomorrow. So it is future tense. So stay at home tomorrow to look after the pets. To look after the pets. So future tense means shall have to. So I shall have to here. Shall have to. So I shall have to stay at home to look after the pets. So I shall have to stay at home to look after the pets. Now let's check our answer. Yes, do this exercise now means present tense. It shows it is in present tense. So I have to do this exercise now. Stay at home tomorrow. So the word tomorrow refers to future tense. So it is I shall have to stay at home. Where is the answer? Yes. I shall have to stay at home tomorrow to look after the pets. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, go to Chennai yesterday. So go to Chennai yesterday. So our answer will be I had to go to Chennai yesterday. Finish past tense. Okay. So I had to go to Chennai yesterday. And our next question is write the sentences about the pictures. So here I'm not showing the pictures here and use these words not enough, too much and too many. So the question is clothes and wardrobe. Clothes and wardrobe. So wardrobe is big and there are many clothes in that. So too many. So clothes, can you count? Yes. So the things which you can count, you have to use too many, and which you cannot count, too much, right? So clothes are countable nouns. So wardrobe. So our answer is there are too many clothes in the wardrobe. So clothes you can count. So for countable noun you will use many. So there are too many clothes in the wardrobe. And water, bucket. So water can you count? No. So it is too much. So what is the answer? There is too much water in the bucket. So remember to use is and are. So clothes, plural, so you have to use are, and water, here we cannot count the water, so you have to use is. So there is too much water in the bucket. Now our next question is join the sentences using to. So join the sentences using to. Our question number 1. Okay. My cat can't play now. She is too sleepy. So my cat is too sleepy to play now. And number 2, the stick will not break. It is too thick. So the stick is too thick to break. So the answer is the stick is too thick to break. And we'll move on to the next one. Join the sentences using to, for, and again to. So the box was too big. Prem could not carry it. So the box was too big for whom? For Prem. For what? To carry. Okay, so the answer is the box was too big for Prem to carry. And join the sentences together using enough. Enough means so much. So the boy was tall. He could see over the wall. So enough means there are more. So the boy was tall enough. He could see over the wall. So the boy was tall enough to see over the wall. So our answer is the boy was tall enough. Means he was very tall. So the boy was tall enough to see over the wall. And our next question is number 2. The horse was fast. The horse was fast. It could not win the race. So the horse was fast enough to win the race. So to win the race, here the word, okay, not is not there. Okay, it could win the race. The horse, the horse was fast. It could win the race. So our answer is the horse was fast enough to win the race. So your horse is running very fast. So you know that horse runs fast. Anu was not old. She could not go to school. So Anu was not old enough to go to school. Anu was not enough to go to school. And our next question is write the missing sentences. It is Jack's book. So, and you have to be very careful with the punctuation marks here. So it is Jack's book. So whose book it is? So it belongs to Jack. So your answer will be it belongs to Jack. They are my brothers book. So they are my brother's book. So whose books are these? So they belongs to my brother. They belongs to my brother. And our next one is complete the sentences. So the leg of my chair. The leg of my chair dash. And here the word is break. So it is broken. Past tense. So you have to use the past tense here. The leg of my chair is broken. That door was dash green. So that door was painted. So that door was painted green. The top of the desk has been dash. The top of the desk has been dash. So let's write the answer. The top of the desk has been, let me take my pen here. Okay, we'll take, okay. The leg of my chair is broken. B-R-O-K-E-N. The door was painted green. So P-A-I-N-T-E-D. So the door was painted green. The top of the desk has been broken. So you have to use the past tense of the word that is given in the bracket, right? So the leg of my chair is broken. The door was painted green. The top of the desk has been broken. And underline the best answer. So Mohan says that he dash 12 years old. So is or was. Maya said that it dash her birthday yesterday. So yesterday means past tense. The teacher said that the answers dash. Right. Number 4, I think that oranges dash better than apples. So let's, okay, more. Let's underline the answer. Mohan says that he is 12 years old. Maya said that since it is given here yesterday, so it is past tense was. The teacher said that the answers were right. I think that oranges are better than apples. Okay. So Mohan says that he is 12 years old. Maya said that it was her birthday yesterday. The teacher said that the answers were right. I think that oranges are better than apples. Okay, children, this is the end of our active English revision. So you have your book. Take your book and revise well. And see you in the next class. Bye bye, children.